What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn a very useful tip into the WPRocket WordPress plugin usage. So imagine the following scenario: you need to move your WPRocket from one website to another website, and you have no idea about the work that you have made. You have to redo the work, you have to redo the settings, you have to reset the panels, how to export those settings from one website to another, how to import and export WPRocket settings. This is what I'm gonna learn to this video to enhance your productivity, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on your site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover your mouse over settings. Next to settings submenus, you're going to be able to find WPRocket. Click on it, and here we have the plugin settings, okay? Now review this middle sidebar: dashboard, file optimization, media, preload, advanced rules, database, CDN, heartbeat, add-ons, tools, tutorials. We're gonna move to tools, okay? And right here we have the export settings and the import settings. All I have to do now is go to the export settings and download settings. Now I have downloaded the WordPress plugin settings. Now you can install the plugin to another website or go to the same website right here, and into the import settings we're gonna select the file that we just have downloaded, click on open, and upload file and import settings. Click on it. Settings, save it. Settings, import it and save it. Now all the settings that I have made about the site optimization, okay, all the settings I have selected are now imported. Now I have a better way to use the plugin and reuse the plugin without need to redo the work, in a simple, fast and effective method. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the Visual Modo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg, or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want, or Growth.net platform, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. In addition, for sites.gallery, a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing page, or game designs. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your sites, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, templates, tools, plugins, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!